Hey guys! Hello! How are you? Okay, now let's talk about Lincoln Penny, 1988. No mint mark, Lincoln Penny. Okay, let's read first what is written on the coin. Okay, in God we trust. Liberty, 1988. At the reverse side of the coins, United States of America, E pluribus unum, 1 cent, FG, the designer's initial, okay, the Lincoln Memorial. Okay, now, let's find out the value or the price of a 1988 no mint mark Lincoln penny in top condition. Yeah, in top condition. Okay, here we go. The most valuable 1988 no mint mark Lincoln penny was graded by Professional Coin Grading Service as MS68RD and traded for $881 in a 2014 auction. Okay, that's all. I hope I was able to provide some information for coin collecting. Have a great day. Bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe.